Welcome, today in front of me XIAOMI Poco M4 Pro, and I'll show you how to adjust ringtone volume on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then tap here on the sounds and vibration, and now just to change the ringtone volume we should swipe to the left or to the right side with our finger this volume panel. And also we got the second way how we can do that, just by press your up or down volume button. You'll see here the volume button and click on the three dots, and by swipe up or to the down the notification and ringtone volume panel, you can also change the ringtone volume of our XIAOMI device. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.